Okay. Um, so I thought, let me just conclude this series with just a short review of this hoodie. Now we finished with it. Well, I'm finished with it. And I think it turned out very nice. I'm glad I made the series because at least now I've got a reference as well for the future if I make hoodies. I think the patterns on the panels align nicely. The hood here at the back, everything looks nice here as well. Everything is aligned. All the pattern on the both sides of the arms looks good. And if you put them like this, they also sort of align with the front and the back. The only thing I didn't do on this hoodie was I didn't do top stitching here on the waistband at the bottom. But maybe I will do it just to make the seam lie flat. And I think also that I think something that I'm not fully happy with was this seam here at the back. I think if I had trimmed it a bit, but it will go flat in any case if you wash it. But I think if I had trimmed the inside of the seam and then put the twill tape it, I think it would have been less bulky. But I think it will go away in any case when you wash the hoodie. But I think apart from that, everything looks nice. All the alignment looks nice on the front panels. Yeah, on the sides, everything is aligned between the front and the back. The ribbing is beautiful. I think the ribbing really turned out lovely. There's good alignment between the sleeve and the ribbing as well. There where the sleeve and the ribbing goes, that seam there. So I think overall the hoodies are easy things to make. They're not difficult. The buttonholes turned out lovely. And I love the color of this hood inside, the black together with the blue. So yeah, so this was a nice exercise and a nice project. I think it looks good. So in the next series, I think I'm going to I'm going to do the cushions because there's some cushions I want to make. And then I think I will, after that, I'm going to do sweatpants because I don't have a series on sweatpants. So I think after the cushions, I'm going to do the sweatpants and upload that just as a reference. So, and it is winter now in any case. So I think what I'll do is I'll do that. I had a playlist with some videos on sweatpants, but I think I deleted it. So yeah, so I think that is fine. So this was a good exercise. Okay.